My name's Alan Hart. Today I'm going to do a review on Ideal boilers. I've also got a little product to show you, a power flushing adapter. That's going to be near the end of the video. So yeah, let's go and have a look. My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm just at an Ideal Vogue that I installed. I installed this in 2016, which is 4 years ago. So I thought we'd have a look at it, do a review on it, long-term review on the Ideal Vogue, and also I'm going to show you the front display on this boiler, because the display on these Vogues, they're just brilliant. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll have a look inside the case of the boiler and we'll see what it's like inside. This is a Vogue and it's a 40 kilowatt combi boiler, and it's on three different zones. It's got a bypass there somewhere there. So what we'll do, just take this case off on this boiler and just isolate the electricity first, make sure everything's safe, and then we'll undo this screw here and this screw here. I'll just take this front cover off. A shock arrestor on this from new. So pipe work's lagged as well. Gas goes up there. Gas is in 28mm. Have a look up there. Just runs along there. Nice brass clips on there. Really good job. It's on ply as well, so you can fit these boilers on ply. It's also got a standoff bracket on this, just so I could take gas up back, just to make it neater. We've also got a magna clean on this as well. So I'll just take this case off now, this cover off. So as you can see, I've turned the power off to the boiler. I've removed the fuse, done the electrical checks. Just have a look inside this boiler. You can see there it's had a little leak there on auto air vent. What I'll do, I'll just close that auto air vent. It's no biggie that. What I'll do now, I'll remove this and we'll have a look inside and see what it's like. I do have a spare seal for this, just in case it needs a new seal. Please remember, if you're going to work on a gas boiler, you must be gas safe registered or competent to do so, and it's very, very important. If you have a look at some of my other videos where people's tried to do DIY with gas, it's just not worth doing. So yeah, let's have a look inside this. One thing to point out with this, it's got the stainless steel heat exchanger. The same heat exchanger, or very similar to what's in the Baxi Platinum. Also, it's got the brass parts inside, again similar to the Baxi Platinum. Got your Grundfos pump, which is a 1570, which is actually one of the best on the market. So I'm just going to undo these nuts off here. There's 4 nuts. I'm going to take this off here and off here, and we'll have a look inside and see what it's like. I'm just trying to do this with one hand, so I do apologise. So I took all cables off. We'll have a look inside there. You can see it's not that bad inside. I'm going to clean this out. I'm going to hoover it out. It's a bit hot at the moment. Customers had heating on. One thing's important, we need to check this seal on here. Make sure that's all okay. Please add some comments below of what you think of the Ideal Vogue. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to service this boiler, I'm going to put it back together, and then we'll have a look at the front display. And then after that, I've got a little treat for you. I just want to ask you where this product is now, and I'll show you that shortly. I've just got this thick hard brush that I use just for cleaning heat exchanger there, and then I also use I also use this, I got this on Vicada training course, and you can just use that just to go down all individual. And then after that, what I'll do, I'll pour some water down into there as well, just to wash it through. So I've just washed that out now, inside there. You see it's nice and clean now in there. What do I think to the Ideal Vogue? Well, if I'm honest, they're really, really good boilers. If you're thinking of buying an Ideal Vogue, the new ones now are called an Ideal Vogue Max, then I would say it's a really good choice. The only difference with this boiler is I'll just show you inside. In this older one, it's got the brass components, and the new ones now, they have plastic inside there, or composite. And Ideal say that they're more reliable, and the new boiler now comes with a 12-year parts and labour warranty. As I said, the new boiler now comes with a 12-year parts and labour warranty, so they must be confident that them plastics are going to be reliable. I've never been a lover of the plastics, and mainly because of the Worcesters, and we see so many Worcesters that are leaking, but that's my reasoning. But to be honest, the plastic's been out a few years now, and they don't seem to be having the issues with it. Let's put this boiler back together. As I say with this, you need to be really careful with the seal. Just check all that to make sure that it's all okay. You just need to make sure you check that flue seal as well. We'll also check it with analyzer, but just to make sure that's fine. You can see there's no stains on there, so it's not been leaking or anything like that. So on the display on these, you can put into maximum service mode, maximum rate, and then obviously you can just test it with your analyzer, and then also make sure you test that one as well to make sure your flow integrity. This is quite high, I've just stripped it down, so take a bit to settle down. So if we have a look up front, we've got a pressure gauge, and then underneath, that's how you fill it up, just on there. So you just see 2 valves there, so that's how you would top it up. And then we've got your temperature dial for your hot water, and then your temperature dial for your heating. And then when you have a look in the display here, we'll just come out of service mode. You can go on to, when you first get this boiler, when you first install it, you can vent the system, so you can click on that and it'll vent it, which is a really, really good function. And then when you scroll down here, you've got your preheat, if you want your preheat, maximum flow temperature. So if we go into there, you can adjust this, temperature. Obviously if you have that slightly lower, it will save you a little bit of money on your bills. And then let's go back out of that. That's outdoor sensor fault. Let's go and see if there's been any faults. Overheat lockout, so it just needed system filling. Fault history. So this is really, really good. It shows you all this stuff. So if you came to it and it's customer said they've had a problem, then you can see what's been going on, and then you can scroll in here and you can see all faults, or if there has been any faults. State of inputs, click on there. Water pressure 1.4, so you can see there it's about right. Central heating switch live on, that means it's calling for heat at the moment. Hot water, no flow. Hot water temperature, that's not, we're not asking for hot water at the moment. Flow temperature, 70 degrees, return temperature 52, and that's like your settings in there. So it tells you flames on, domestic hot water off because it's not calling for heat, open firm, there's no open firm on this. This were installed, as I say, 4 or 5 years ago. Come out of that, and it's on an S plan, so you won't be able to put it on to open firm. Outputs, and then we've got some things in there as well. Come out of that one. Minimum rate, service mode, so if you're going to service it you can click into that and get your minimum, and then maximum, you can get your maximum. Efficiency, let's have a look at that. This is probably a bit of a gimmick, but we'll have a look what this says. So high efficiency 90%, super efficiency 10. Also tells you running hours, so it's been running for 5,864 hours. Frost protection, reset service, so we've done service on it, so we can reset that. So now it's reset for another 365 days. Sorry for camera, I haven't got a tripod up with me today. There's all other stuff in here as well. You can put your installer details, pump, you can set pump modulation and that as well. But yeah, it's really good, really good actually. So that's the Ideal Vogue 40 kilowatt, and it's been in now since 2016, 4 years. My honest review on this boiler, I think they've been brilliant, really good boilers. So yeah, can't fault them at all, to be honest. Right, I've got a little I want to know if you've seen this invention and if it's still available, because I've not seen it since. But let's go and have a look at installer 2016 and have a look at this little invention.
Hi, here we are, installer live 2016. Just thought we'd introduce you to Alan here. He's got a nice little new invention which save a lot of time for you. Take it away, Alan. Just take it.
This is a combi power flushing adapters. When you're cleaning a combi boiler, when it's on heating, the water goes through the main heat exchanger and back out of the boiler. Doesn't touch the domestic hot water plate heat exchanger, which is at the back of the boiler and very hard to get to. When you go to hot water only, because of the way the valves work, the water stops, it goes through nothing. So if you remove the divert valve head, put a wee adapter in, now the water goes through that heat exchanger and then a domestic hot water heat exchanger, cleaning both. The adapter holds the diverter valve in mid position, so they're both getting cleaned at the same time. When you've finished, all you have to do is take the clip out, take the adapter out, refit the head and test and make sure it's clean and working efficiently. That's all there is to it.
Amazing. So simple. So this is clean and clear power flushing. Alan, his number is 0748 635 9853. Amazing.
All the information is on the website and tips out to power flush combi boilers.
Where is that power flushing adapter now? Do you use it? Have you seen it for sale? I've not really seen anything about it since. So yeah, please add some comments below, and if you've got any ideas for any more videos, please put some comments below and let me know. Thanks for watching.